It's Valentine's Day. I have no idea how to impress a girl. No worries, here is a Namjoon inspired makeup look. Firstly, I'll be using Moonshot's Micro Setting Fit Cushion. What I like about this cushion is that it has SPF 50+ and PA++ protection. Also, it has a matte finish that doesn't cake or oxidize. Next, I'll be using Holika's Underdrawing Skinny Eyebrow in shade Red Brown. I chose this shade to complement my hair color, and also I will be thickening and lengthening my brows. Following that, I'll be using Innisfree Skinny Brown Mascara. This brown mascara fills in gaps and sparse areas to create a natural looking, well-groomed pair of eyebrows. What I like about this formula is that it's water and sweat resistant. Moving on, I'll be using BTS Last Auto Gel Eyeliner Wedding Series Juliet Rose. The color of this formula is really robust and it is smudge, water and sweat proof. It's easier to put this on compared to eyeshadows. Next, I'll be using CHICO's 1Q eyeliner in brown. I chose brown because it's a natural color that complements the look. What I like about this formula is that it is water and sebum proof, so this helps the eyeliner to stay in place throughout the day. Next, I'll be using Saemmul Luminous Multi Highlighter in pink white. So the mix of pearl, amethyst ruby and coral powder will make your face more luminous and three-dimensional. You can mix the colors for highlighting or use each individual color for color corrections. Next, I'll be using LANEIGE Two-Tone Tint Lip Bar in Cotton Candy. Within a few swipes, you'll get pink gradient, kissable lips that are comparable to a K-pop idol. Hairstyle? Checked. Outfit? Checked. And you're done! What's left is to impress your girl.
Oh hey yeah, oh hey yeah, oh hey yeah. 무슨 마법을 부린 거니? 너 하나만 아는 바보가 되어버렸잖아. 웃는 법도 잊었던 내가.
Hope you guys learned a thing or two, and I would like to thank YesStyle.com for providing all the makeup in this video. More information will be in the description box below, and I'll hope to see you guys next time. Bye!